In this video, I am going to show you how you can pause or resume the video while shooting on your iPhone. So from iOS 18 onwards, the new feature has been pushed up, which was the most awaited feature, which was even available on Android operating system, of pausing and resuming the video while shooting any video clip on your phone using the camera. So now this option is even available on the iPhone. If you are still not aware about this feature, then in here I will be showing you how you can use this feature. So to get this feature, first of all you will need to download the latest update, which is iOS 18. So this feature will be present from iOS 18 onwards. So to access this feature, open the camera app on your iPhone. Let's start a video recording by tapping on the red button. So here you can see I started capturing a video. So in case I wish to pause this video recording, then you will need to tap on the pause button, which is appearing just before the record button. On tapping the pause button, the video recording has now paused, but I can continue the recording in the same file by tapping on the red button, which is appearing, which is a resume button. So to resume it, we'll need to tap on the red button and the camera will resume capturing the video. So this is how now you can easily pause and resume the video recording while capturing any video on your iPhone. This option is available on iOS 18 onwards, so make sure you update your iPhone to get this option. So now there isn't any need to stop the video recording. Now you can easily pause the recording to start recording it in the same video file. So I'll stop this recording, and here you will be able to see the video is captured in a single file. So this will be a relief to the iPhone users, as now they have received this feature on their iPhone.